at the top and go around. Now a 0 we have found. A long straight one just for fun. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Around the tree and around the tree, and that is 3. Down and across, then down some more, and now we have the numeral 4. Fetch all 5 comes down and around. Put a flag on top and see what you have found. Down to a loop, 6 rolls on a hoop. Across the sky and down from heaven, that is how to make a 7. We make an S, but do not wait, we climb one up to make it 8. A circle O and a line, and that is the number 9. It's easy to make 1 and O